Networking is not an easy game. For some, acquiring new connections comes naturally, while others have to learn it. This tip and tricks video will guide you on what plays key roles to extend and strengthen business networking successfully. So, let's start. Tip 1. Be yourself and authentic. Never pretend to be somebody else. Tip 2. Be positive. Share enthusiasm, but do not exaggerate. Tip 3. Be communicative. Focus on verbal and nonverbal skills. Tip 4. Be trustful and build up credibility whenever you can. Tip 5. Be respectful, behave ethically and fair all the time. Tip 6. Cherish your business relationship long-term. That's it. Thank you for watching. Get more at www.suppliersplatform.com.